What's up, everybody? It's Luke W coming back at you on a beautiful Monday morning in midsummer. Temperature's great, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a little bit more passive income so you don't have to go to report to any jobs, no more 9 to 5. I haven't been doing it for 3 years, so I'm happy to take you along the journey with me. If you haven't subscribed, please take a look at my channel. I got over 400 videos to show you how to private label products to sell on Amazon. I have one-on-one mentorship and even coaching calls that I can hook you guys up with. But in today's episode, we're gonna be looking at a little something different. It's gonna be merch by Amazon. So down here you see one of these cool t-shirts one of my friends made. His clothing brand is called Lord Knows, and he's out of Portland, Oregon. I really think it's cool when you can create your own t-shirt brands and things like that. And I want to ask you guys a serious question. Do you think I should change the name of my YouTube channel to represent a more FBA type brand? I'm thinking of going with FBA Freak. Luke W, the FBA Freak. I don't know, it's just something that kind of rings a bell. And being an FBA Freak just signifies that you are kicking butt with anything that has to do with selling products on Amazon. And I think that's a pretty good name for my channel since over 400 videos have been devoted to creating Amazon FBA content. And I'm gonna go head upstairs and show you exactly how easy it is to list a product on Merch by Amazon so that hopefully you guys can get this thing going for yourself, because it's 100% free to start a Merch by Amazon account. I've heard of some people having a little trouble getting their account fully set up. It's a lot easier if you already have an Amazon FBA account set up, but I just want to show you how easy it is to really upload a product onto the Merch by Amazon website, because what you're able to do is once your product design is uploaded, Amazon will print it every time someone buys that design, and then it's going to be shipped out to customers. So we're going to go hop into the room. We got all the skateboards on the wall, the famous Luke W room, and I'm going to adjust the lighting, and we're going to sit down and get this thing done. So check this out. So after receiving this email from Merch by Amazon saying that content creators are now allowed to publish on the US marketplace, I wanted to bring this to you and show you really how easy it is to get this whole thing set up. So if you simply go to merch.amazon.com, you'll find this website right here, and all you have to do to get signed up is press request invitation, and then it's going to take you through a quick questionnaire. And actually, if you follow this video on my channel right here, which I'll also have linked up above for you guys, you're gonna see the exact wording that I used to get my account set up within 2 weeks. Super easy to do, and like I said, once it's set up, this is completely free. You're gonna make kind of small profit margins on this stuff, but if you capitalize in t-shirt niches around holidays or political seasons, things like that, you can really skyrocket sales with cool t-shirts. But I want to do it in more of a way that's just going to represent my brand. I'm going to show you the logo I've already created and how easy it is to get on a t-shirt. And I just want to ask again, drop in the comments, do you think I should rebrand my Facebook group, things like that, to the FBA Freaks? And I know it sounds a little crazy, but sometimes that's what it takes to get successful. You just got to be a freak of nature and hammer this stuff out. So you can even see I've tried to use this on the personal page. I haven't used it, but when I've made my other sole FBA Instagram here, you can see right up here we have the logo, and that's kind of how I've been branding this content out. And I do want to kind of rebrand my name. I know Luke W is all great and everything, but I think branding the content with FBA Freak might stand out a little bit more. Now you'll notice I didn't use the exact A and the Amazon sign down here. I just made this right inside of Canva. Again, another free software where you can make logos and all this other stuff really easy. And you can see I started with this and I just kept going down, 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 and I started creating, and then I finally came to this one. And I used the different A so I hopefully don't infringe on any trademark stuff with Amazon. It's definitely a different A here and all that. So we'll see if Amazon's gonna accept it. And once this t-shirt is live, I'll have it linked below this video so you can actually click in and purchase it for like $13.99 or whatever price it's at. I want to keep it at a super low price so you guys, my subscribers, can even get shirts and be like, yo, we're FBA Freaks, let's go. So I don't know, we'll see how all that works. Now I'll jump into my Merch by Amazon account. It's all right here. I've already created a couple of designs here, and what I'm going to do is press add a product so we can get this design that I just showed you, the FBA Freak logo, on an actual shirt. Now I've tried uploading right from the Merch by Amazon website multiple times to just try and upload a design here, and there's crazy parameters they want you to follow that I've tried many times and I still can't get it to work. So luckily I have this tool called Merch Informer, which is only 10 bucks a month, and link down below I'll have a 15% off discount coupon that I found for this website that you can go get signed up. And this is super awesome. Like, I'll go log in for you guys and show you everything that this tool has. Not only is it going to show you more niches that are making a ton of sales and things like that, but they have all the other information and videos that you can watch to learn how each one of these tools works on the side. But what I want to show you is coming right into Merch Designer. It's so easy because it makes the exact parameters that Amazon wants you to use right when you're done uploading from this website. So you can see I've already put in the design right here. I'm actually going to delete that, and I've downloaded the FBA Freak logo right here, which has that different A, and that's what I want to put in here. But I'm just going to come over to the images section, and actually I can drag and drop right here. Now I have the new logo. Simply click that and it's already in there. So now I can resize this, put it exactly where I want to put it on the t-shirt, and that's basically it right there. So we have the FBA Freak logo on the shirt. Super sweet. And I can make skateboard t-shirts, other entrepreneur type t-shirts. If you guys have cool ideas, drop any comments down below, and I may even pay like someone on Fiverr to revamp. I'll show them, hey, this is the logo I like, this is the style I want, and I can pay them to revamp it and make it way more professional looking and things like that. So I'm excited for what the future is going to hold with this. There's never enough optimization you can make, but at the end of the day, I can go ahead and press download right here. Now downloading the exact PNG file that I need to upload into Merch by Amazon. And then within Merch by Amazon, I can just press upload artwork on a t-shirt and then come to my desktop where I have the saved image. Also some student coaching calls. That's been always one of my favorite things to wake up to, and helping you guys get successful. That's the real fulfillment I get out of all this stuff, just teaching you guys. You see all my videos, they don't even have many views, and yet I'm still pumping them out because I love it. Ooh, and actually we can get this on a tank top. That is pretty sweet. So here's what it's gonna look like. And actually I noticed that there's a big black box around everything here. So I actually just popped into Photoshop real quick, and I'm gonna select and mask all the letters that I want to remove from this black background. So really I think this is the best I can do, and like I said, I'm going to come back and probably make another better logo soon, but this is version 1. This is going to be limited edition. So I'm going to come down and just see this little button here, just press that. Now I can just come in and unlock the background and delete it. So now we have that transparent background. This is exactly what I wanted, and I just exported that to my desktop. I'll make sure it's there. So now I'm just going to import the new image right here. We have the PNG version, and perfect. Okay, I like that. Very nice. Got the FBA Freak logo secured. That should be good. Let's go and download that and pop it right into Merch by Amazon. So here's the version I need right there for Merch by Amazon's difficult settings. Now we're updating to the new version that should show no more black box, and there you go. Everything looks good. It's updating on all the other shirts, and it looks pretty sweet. So that's about it. Ooh, I like this, man. This is pretty sweet. Even though I couldn't get the little black boxes there, I think it's gonna be fine for now. That's all good with me. I'll probably just print it on black shirts anyway. Now I'm just gonna say select shirts. We will just deselect all. I'm in a small product tier, so I can't upload 100 designs at once. I can only upload 1 submission per day. But I'm just gonna say a standard t-shirt, and that should be good to go for the .com version. And I just selected that. Now I have to come in and fill in some of the metadata for the t-shirt so people can find it. And I just threw in a couple of bullet points. This doesn't matter too much. And I'm just gonna go ahead and press publish right now. I'm submitting the design, and there we go. So we're just gonna pop back to the manage page, and we can see my design right here called the FBA Freak for the e-commerce design. The list price is $19.99. I'm gonna lower that soon to like $14.99. So after this says live, I'm gonna come back and update you guys, let you know how long it took. It's 1:15 p.m. right now. I'll let you know when it's back and live. We are back, and my shirt is officially live, It took about 45 minutes. It's now officially live. And if we go look at the listing here in just a second, actually I want to show you guys what I'm going to do for you. And we'll just go ahead and mark this down to $14.99. So I'm only going to make $1.45 profit per sale on this. It's not about the money, it's just about the cool idea of getting this thing out there. If you really want to make big bucks with merch by Amazon, you're going to want to put up t-shirts that are going to be really trending and that might make a ton of different sales. And there's a ton of other information that you can learn how to do this within the Merch Informer platform, just like I showed you before. And all I really did again was come into the free website Canva to kind of get some ideas flowing and get some logos, designs set up. You can go to Fiverr, whatever, things like that. Anything that's going to be custom made for you is going to be something you can use, as long as it doesn't have any weird copyright issues like that. So I hope this little A is going to be just fine, and it seems like since Merch by Amazon has approved it, it's working just nice and dandy now. So we can go and click on the actual listing, and here it is. It's going to take a little bit of time for this thing to update, and if you guys are seeing this video, you can actually probably come down and write a customer review. Just be like, hey, Luke W's awesome, and see if it works. It might even let you allow you to leave a cool little review here. So the only color we have right now is black, but we have it in all other sizes. Also, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a tank top. I think I'm going to upload one of those next, because I would actually rock one of those in the gym. And yeah, you guys can check the link below and get this t-shirt, and I think it's really cool that this thing's just up and active. One other note is that with Merch Informer, you can do all of your other information here without using Canva. Like I said, this is literally like $8 a month if you're using my 15% off discount, and you have all these other royalty-free images that you can just go pop right into an image and get them on a t-shirt as fast as you want. There's all tons of cool things. They have clip art, they have different shapes, and then you can do a cool shape, and then you can, you know, type a bunch of different text in there. Whatever design you want to make, it can be live, and your t-shirt will be on Amazon for all your friends to buy. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching it to the end. Please drop a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'm really excited to help you guys out with the rest of this journey, as the world seems to be going up in flames with all the craziness I've been seeing on Facebook. But you guys stay fancy, and let's start making money while we can and set ourselves free, so we don't have to get caught up in the craziness that the world is in right now. So thank you so much again. We'll see you next time. Peace out.